Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to see the new chapter Heat and Temperature, chapter 4 on page 52 and 53. As we know that sound is a form of energy. The same manner, heat is also the form of energy. Heat is a kind of internal energy which is present within us. We cannot see heat energy, but we can feel by touching or with the help of our sense. During winter, we want to make our room warmer. So what do? We turn on the heater or we light the fire. In the same manner, in summer, we want to keep our room cool. So what do? We use air cooler or AC. Here the activity 1 is to show if the body is hot or cold. Materials required for this activity is cold water, hot water and tap water. Now we are going to take hot water in bowl A and ice cold water in bowl B and tap water in bowl C. Now what you are going to do is dip your right hand in bowl A and dip your left hand in bowl B for few minutes. Thereafter, put both hands immediately in bowl C. When you put your right hand in hot water has more heat energy than your body. So, heat energy flow from hot water to your body. So, your right hand feel hot. When you put your left hand in ice cold water, the heat energy present in ice cold water is less than your body. So, heat energy flow from your body to ice water. So, your left hand feels cold. But when you put both the hands in tap water, your right hand feels cold and the left hand feels hot. But the tap water is neither hot nor cold. During summer, we feel more hot. The reason is the surrounding air has more heat energy than us. So, heat energy flows from surrounding air to our body, thus, we feel hot. But at the same time, we begin to sweat more. Sweat is a form of water which is the elimination of excess water from our body. This water from the sweat evaporates, so it causes cooling effect to the body. How it happens? For evaporation to occur, it needs heat energy. So, to evaporate these water particles from the sweat, it absorbs heat energy from the body, thus it causes cooling effect. Now you are going to learn the important terms heat and temperature. Heat is nothing but it is a form of energy, whereas temperature is a measure of amount of heat. Now you are going to take 1 cup of ice cold water and 1 cup of tap water. Who has more heat energy? In tap water, it has more heat energy than ice cold water. How much heat energy is more than ice cold water? Only thermometer help us to measure the amount of heat energy, that is temperature. When our body temperature is lower than the normal body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, we can say I am feeling cold. If our body temperature is much lower than the normal body temperature, then we can say I am feeling too cold or very cold. If our body temperature is more than the normal body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, we can say I am feeling very hot. We use certain units like meter, centimeter, like that to measure the length of the object. In the same manner, to measure the temperature, we use Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now let us move to the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. Heat energy rises the temperature of the body. Heat is measured in joule, whereas temperature is a measure of heat energy level, that is degree of hotness and coldness of the body. Temperature decides the direction of flow, that means the temperature or heat energy flow from higher body temperature to lower body temperature. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit.